Glory to Jesus Christ. So this is a user manual tutorial of how to stop Microsoft Edge updates, automatic updates, hidden updates completely. So one way, the best way is to download from the internet the version we would like to use. As soon as it's downloaded, we need to install it. After installing it, we go to services. It's better to use any simple free program, and we switch off these two services. Then we also click on them to delete them, not to switch off, because it will switch on them in 2-3 days again. So we need to delete these two services. They are the same ones, but it doubles them in order for the user not to stop updates. So we delete them, and then we go to the folder of internet of this Edge, Microsoft Edge browser, and we are going to find there a file with exe sign. Here it is. You need to find a file, installation file with such a sign. The size will be from 90 till 128 megabytes. So this exe file will be there. So we need to recopy it to desktop, for example. Then we are going to uninstall our browser, and then we can install this browser from this file. After installing it, we enter the browser. You see there is a sign, so we couldn't update it. We're going to click on return message and about the browser, and it immediately shows that you cannot update this browser, version 1992 for example. Let me also show that it's working. It's working. You see 8.92. Current version is 127. So it's working. YouTube. So such a manual it is. So also after installing you can check out the services for these two services, but I don't think they will be there because it's another installation, like half portable, so you won't have any problems. So glorify